Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an email pop-up sign-up in Shopify. This is a fantastic way to capture visitor emails and incentivize purchases by offering a discount right when someone visits your store. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can access all the tools and settings for managing your online store. Now, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Discount. This section allows you to create various types of discount codes that you can offer to your customers. Once you're in the discount area, click on Create Discount. A menu will appear with different discount types available. For our purpose today, select Amount Off Products. This option lets you offer a percentage or fixed amount discount on specific items or collections. Next, you'll need to enter a discount name. For example, you could type something like 20% OF to clearly communicate the offer. After naming your discount, move down to the discount value field. Here, input 20% to set the discount amount. This means customers will receive a 20% reduction on their purchase when they use this code. Now you'll want to apply this discount to a specific collection of products. To do this, click Browse and select the collection you'd like to target. Once you've chosen your collection, click Add to confirm your selection. This ensures the discount only applies to those specific products. Scroll down a bit further until you find the section labeled Maximum Discount Uses. Here, check the checkbox that says Limit to 1 user per customer. This prevents the same customer from using the discount code multiple times, which helps protect your margins. Once that's done, click the Save button at the top of the page to finalize your discount settings. Now that your discount is created, it's time to set up the pop-up form. For this, we'll be using Shopify Forms, so make sure you have this app installed. On the left side under Apps, click on Forms. This will open Shopify Forms where you can design and manage your pop-up. Click Create Form, and from the options that appear, select Pop-up Form. You'll be prompted to input a form name, so type something descriptive like Discount Pop-up. This helps you identify the form later if you have multiple forms running. Now you can start customizing the form itself. Under the Forms section, you can edit the title and content to match your brand's voice and messaging. You'll also see fields that collect visitor information like name and email. You can add more fields or remove existing ones depending on what information you want to collect. For example, if you want to remove the first name field, simply click the delete icon beside it. Next, move to the Discount section, click Select a Discount, and choose the discount code you created earlier. This links your pop-up form directly to the discount offer, so when someone submits their email, they'll automatically receive the code. You can also edit the styling of the pop-up, adjust the background, text, accent color, button, and error colors to match your store's branding. This customization ensures the pop-up feels cohesive with the rest of your site and doesn't look generic. Now go to the Behavior section. This is where you manage where and when the pop-up will appear on your site. For now, let's stick to the default settings but change the after waiting for option to 5 seconds. This means the pop-up will appear 5 seconds after a visitor lands on your page, giving them a moment to browse before being prompted. Once everything looks good, click the Save button at the top of the page, then click Turn on Form to activate your pop-up. This makes it live on your store. Finally, click Go to Online Store and wait for the page to load. Once it loads, make sure the Forms toggle button is turned on. This confirms that your pop-up is active and will display to visitors. Click the Save button in the upper right corner to apply all your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added an email pop-up sign-up in Shopify with a discount incentive. This tool will help you grow your email list and boost conversions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.